Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and this is the free printable for this week. Sorry I didn't get it up yesterday, but I've had quite a busy week. But I want to show you some of these printables go perfect with this collection. I was trying to find an old circus-like picture. This is the only one that I could come up with, and I know the background is a little bit different, but I think once I blend it all in, it'll make a cute little journaling card for the inside of that, because there's a little Ferris wheel right there. And then some of these pinks go great with this, and then I loved this little girl. I thought she would go great for a journaling card or a tag. And then this little girl right here, I thought she was darling. So a lot of these are going to go with this collection, but they're going to go with lots of other things too. I know you may not have this collection, as a lot of people don't. But we're going to incorporate some of this in with our little mini album that we're making. Now, this is the cover of the mini album that I made, that I started on, yesterday, day before? I don't remember. Anyway, this is just from a box. This was a Misty box. It was the box that my Misty came in a couple of years ago, 2 or 3 years ago. This paper collection is called, I think it's Dulce, and someone told me that that means candy. So that is the paper collection. This is an older Prima collection, probably from, I want to say last year maybe. Let's see if it has a... No, it doesn't have a date on it, but I'm thinking it was last year's collection. If I can find this anywhere, I'll link it below, but I'm not sure that they even still have it anywhere. I'll try to look for it, and if they do, I'll link it down below where you can pick this up. It's a beautiful collection. It has lots of those cotton candy, Ferris wheel, merry-go-round, the circus-like things. I love this image right here. Of course, look at that one. That is beautiful. And then, let's see, let's find another. And then this has got lots of pretty things on it that we can cut out to make tags, pockets, belly bands, different things. So we'll be using some other things on this mini album. And I love this collaged page. I think that is so pretty. So we'll be using that a lot in here. And then this is gorgeous. Love that. So I'm going to be making the pages in the next video. I just wanted to put this one up right now to show the freebie for this week. So you can go over to the link that's below. We'll take you over to our blog, and you can download this for free. Someone asked me how long does my freebie stay up. I leave them on there. I leave them on my blog. So you can check the blog anytime that you want. You can just scroll down through there, and if it says freebie, then you should be able to go down below to the little file link and just download the freebie. I don't delete them, or I don't leave them up just for a certain amount of time. I just kind of leave them there for you guys if you want to use them. So we'll be using this, some of these, and this paper collection, and some other things. I've already pulled out some different things that I'm going to use for the pages on the inside. Now, for our pages, I had said that I was going to put 2 signatures in here, but I'm thinking this is only going to hold 1 signature. So I've just pulled out some pages. That's just an old book page. It says telephones on there. I've got some music paper. I've got a piece of the paper out of there, 2 pieces of it. This is just a scrap piece that Melina was going to throw away, and I grabbed it out of the garbage because I loved that. I loved how it said there's beauty all around. I liked that. I've got some book pages, and then this is just a paper that someone sent me. One of you guys sent to me. So I pulled that out because I liked the colors on it to go with that. We're going to make a pocket on that one. And this also is a sheet that one of you guys sent to me. It's on vellum, and I just cut that out. We're going to use that for a sheet. This is one of my doilies that this is watercolor, I think. And it's the metallic watercolor, so it's got that shine in it. And then this is just a scrap piece of paper I had laying on my desk. We're going to use that. And these are some of the watercolor papers that I did. So That's just watercolor on regular printer paper. So we're going to use these for our signature to go in here. So we will be doing that next. And then we'll be creating some pockets. I've already got a lot of pockets made that are going to go with this collection. So we'll be creating some pockets, but not a lot. Now this is going to go on the spine. I loved that look. I liked that darker with this. I just thought it was pretty. So we're going to put that lace on the spine. And again, one of you guys sent this to me. So let's see, what else do we have? Is there anything else I need to tell you on this one? I think that is it until we start putting the signature together. On this video, I just wanted to tell you that your freebie will be up. By the time I get this video uploaded, it will be. So you can go over and grab this one if you'd like. All right, guys, we'll talk to you later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.